here at the car store to go get a red car. Time to put the car in the bin. Now, we will go to the millionaire's mansion to give it to them. We're here at the millionaire's mansion. Wow! Look at the red car. Can I see my red car, please? And he opened the door and came out the red car. I don't really like the color or the style. Maybe I want a yellow car. He wanted a yellow car. So the next day, we're here at the car store to pick up a yellow car for the millionaire. Into the tin you go. Now we have to go 12 minutes to the place. Okay, we're here. Wow, I ordered a yellow car. Can I have my yellow car? Here's your yellow car. Whoa, I love my new yellow car. Here's your money. Ding, cha-ching. Now I will enjoy my yellow car. The end. Okay, guys, like and subscribe so you can see more content.